Take a moment to check out the 2019 Buick Cascada. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer. The Cascada pampers you with creature comforts and shields you with the latest safety features while giving you the agile, spirited drive your heart desires. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, keyless entry, navigation system, turbocharged engine, backup camera, fog lamps, heated front seat, heated mirrors, lane keeping assist, power passenger seat. Drive a little pleasure into your life. Drive a Cascada.